Okay, this is the new XPS3-2 holographic sight from EOTECH. We're going to open it up, take a look at it. It's got a nice plastic hard case. Looks like you could lock it. Okay, we have an operator's manual, a warranty card, and this is the factory recommended sight mounting procedure for the knurled weaver bolt. Okay, here's the sight itself. Looks like your adjustments there. Cap for your battery. There's your power and your brightness buttons. Your night vision button. Here we have a bolt to replace this little Allen screw. Get a little bit more of a quick attach setup. Comes with an Allen wrench and a spare keeper for the battery cap, I guess, in case you break it off. I believe that's everything out of the case. Okay, let's go ahead and start with putting the bigger bolt in. Unscrew this bolt. Put this one in its place. That's nice. Oh, this is kind of neat. Not sure if you can see that. Right here it says 7/64, so it lets you know what size Allen screw to use. It's kind of a good idea. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Either button turns it on. The down button, if you turn it on with the down button, it has a 4-hour auto shut off. And the up button gives you an 8-hour auto shut off. Okay, now I'm not really sure if you can see that or not. The XPS3-2 has a different targeting pattern. It's got the circle and dot with a smaller dot below it for range finding, I guess. It's got night vision. I tried my little monocular on the camcorder and I couldn't pick anything up, so you'll just have to take my word for it. But even through a cheap monocular, it works well and looks good. It looks like a very well-built, sturdy sight. I've never used one of these before. I've used cheaper reflex sights, but this looks really nice. It looks really tough. Looks like you could drop it or all sorts of things. I chose this model. I'll turn it off. Hold both buttons in. That's all. I chose this model because of the size of battery it takes. It is tight. But it takes a CR123 battery, which I use in my flashlights, and I think I've got 4 of them, and one of them's got a laser. I use them a lot on guns, so it's nice that it uses the same size battery. They claim It'll run 600 hours on one battery. If so, that's pretty impressive. Guess we'll find out, but I'll do another review once I get it on a weapon and get it sighted in, and let you know what I think about it. It's awful neat though.